Hello everyone, today we have a second class of our chapter 4, that is linear equation in two variables. This is our second class which only deals with the linear equations. So let's get start this class. So the class is what is linear equations. So the definition is an equation that has the highest degree of 1 is known as linear equation. This means that no variable in a linear equation has a variable whose exponent means power, exponent or power is more than 1. The graph of the linear equation forms a straight line. What? A straight line. After that, I am going to give you some example. You have to only tell is it a linear equation or not. So the examples are y is equals to 8x minus 9, y is equals to x square minus 7, under root y is equals to x minus 6, y is equals to 3x minus 1, and y plus x minus 1 plus z is equals to 0. So you have to tell only that this is a linear equation or not, and if it is not a linear equation, so why? The first equation is y plus 8x plus y is equals to 8x minus 9. Is it at a degree of 1? Yes. X is also have degree 1 and y is also have degree 1. So this is a linear equation. Yes, linear. After that, or which only two variables. After that, y is equals to x square minus 7. So y has degree 1 but x has 2 degree. So this is not an linear equation. So this is a non-linear equation because it has a highest degree of 1 only. After that, here is a degree of x is 1 but of y it's 1 by 2 because under root y is written in the form of y 1 by 2. So this is not a linear equation. This is an non-linear equation. After that, there is a question is given. Here x degree is 1, in the same way y degree is also 1. So is it a linear equation? Yes, this is a linear equation. After that, there is a third last equation is given, that is y has degree 1, x has degree 1, z has degree 1. Is it a linear equation? Yes, it is a linear equation but not in two variables. As we have studied in our chapter, they have only two variables. So this is a linear but of three variables. This is a linear equation of three variables which we are not studying in our chapter. So according to this chapter, this is a wrong equation. But in terms of linear, this is a linear equation but in three variables. So this class is only telling about what is linear equation and what are its basic form, as well as we have studied about the definition that tell you that the degree of highest degree of 1. Except this, there is no data we have to take. So thank you so much for this second class of linear equations in two variables. Meet you soon in our third class that tells you about the solution of a linear equation, as well as we are learned about how to plot the linear equation on a graph. Thank you so much.